Hello, it's Steve here from Sci-Fi Funk, and today I want to talk about Glide. Now we have a Glide unit here. I also know this as Portamento, and I've learnt in the past that glides can mean moving up in semitone steps from one pitch to another, and Portamento can be smooth. In this case, the Glide is smooth from one pitch to another, and it's a classic effect. So let's show you how to set this one up. Now, first of all, it needs control voltage, and if you look down here, there's a CV output from this Kenton CV MIDI interface, and that needs to go to your CV in. Then the CV out of your device needs to keyboard track to a VCO, and we're using this one here. So it goes in the 1-volt octave jack switch for this VCO. And now, when we play the effect, well, we've set it on quite wide at the moment, quite a lot of Glide. You see it's sliding down or moving up. It can be a lot quicker and it can be off. So about there's quite sweet for soloing. But this effect here, I can't resist giving you the Blade Runner glide sweep as we whack on a bit of reverb and do this. Like that, but you don't want to let it reach the final pitch, it spoils the effect. Anyway, that's Glide. Hope you enjoyed that little tour, and I'll see you next time at Sci-Fi Funk.